Hey guys, Joseph from Magic Touch. Today I'm going to show you how to unpack an Oki C711 white toner printer from start to finish. First off, congratulations on the printer. It's a great printer. We're going to show you how to open the box, how to take off all the tape, put in the toners, install the software from start to finish. Okay? So here we go. What's great about these boxes is you can either cut it from the top or these little handles actually pop out and you remove the handles. So each of them has 4 sides here. You just take off the handles, like so. And then what's great about this is the box will just lift right up. Just like this. Voila! There's your printer. So, when you first notice this, you notice how Oki gives you general guidelines of how to remove the printer, how to take off all the tape, all the orange tabs, the tape for the toners as well, okay? So you can follow these instructions or just watch this video and you should be good. So you'll notice right away, you have your power cord right here. Now, Oki does not give you a USB printer to laptop cable. So you have to have a USB printer to laptop cable. They just give you a power cord, okay? So save this on the side. Oki also gives you the instruction manual and the Oki drivers that you need to install right away when you plug it in. So we include our RIP software with the printer, but you have to install the Oki drivers, then install our software, okay? So we're gonna set this aside. Next, what we're gonna do is, we're nicely gonna remove this here, and as you can see, all of it just comes right off, just like this. All right. Now, it's nicely packaged. We have a knife right here. We're just going to cut it across. If you have scissors, just cut it and you should be okay. Just cut it right across. Just like that. Now, you have your printer opened. Now, what you can do is, what I like to do is I still like to set it up in the box here, but if you want to remove it from the box, you can nicely lift it up. Thank you, sir. Just like that. Remove this down. Now, you're going to notice they give you instructions here as well to remove all the tapes off the toner. But we're going to show you how that's done here. So, the printer comes taped very well. First and foremost, you want to remove these tapes from the side so you can open up the printer. Okay? So, it's very important when you open it up, remove all these blue tapes from everything. To open up the Oki C711 printer, you have an open button right here. Once you hit this button, the printer pops up. Now, right away, you have instructions of how to remove all the toners with the tapes and the orange clips. But we're going to show you how it's done here. So, each toner comes with a drum and the toner, okay? What you want to do is you want to remove the tape, like so, just like this. Take it right off. Comes right through, comes right off, and then the one from the bottom as well. So you're taking off both orange tapes. Now, you want to do this for all set of the toners, all 4, cyan, magenta, and yellow. Once you're done, you want to install the toner and the drum back inside the printer, and you're going to notice right here, there is a lock and unlock button. When you're done setting the toner, putting it back inside with the drum, you want to lock the toners into place, okay? So you want to do these for all 4. Remove this right here as well. The most important thing you need to do is this. Remove the fuser. As you can see here, the fuser is locked. You want to unlock it, just like this, both sides. Lift it up, and now you have an orange tab here. This orange tab you need to remove. Now all you have to do is, just like that, you're not going to break anything, remove the tab, put the fuser back in, and lock it into place. That's it. That's how you set up the Oki C711 white toner printer. We're gonna close it up. Once you remove all the tapes of all the toners and the orange tab, next we're gonna show you how to plug it in with the USB and install the Oki drivers.